कि एक क्लाउड कितनी टाइप्स में फर्दर क्लासिफाई हो रहा है. लेट्स डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाउड वन बाय वन. First type is the public cloud. The infrastructure is made available to general public or large industry group and is owned by the organization selling cloud services. It means ये एक ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, ऐसी सर्विसेज हैं जो जनरल पब्लिक को, कम्युनिटी को अवेलेबल हैं, and these services are available publicly on over the internet. Private cloud, the infrastructure is operated solely for an organization. कि एक ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का विच इज फुली डेडिकेटेड फॉर एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और ये प्राइवेट इन्वायरमेंट में वर्कआउट कर रही है. लेट्स सपोज वी डू हैव नागरा नेशनल डेटाबेस इन पाकिस्तान. It has its own private cloud which is working within its own local environment, and it is meeting the requirements of the government of Pakistan, and it is providing the services to end users. Community cloud. The infrastructure is shared by several organizations and supports a community that has shared the concerns. एक ऐसा cloud computing का infrastructure which is available to several organizations, but those organizations supporting our community. Let's suppose कि हमारे पास multiple organization है, multiple hospitals हैं, they all sharing their information together for the same cause, and they are working under one community. So that cloud computing environment is called the community cloud, and it might work in public environment. Hybrid cloud, composition of two or more than two clouds. It could be public, private, or community cloud as a unique entities, but bound by the standardized technology that enables data and application portability. Hybrid cloud may be a private cloud, but it is using some of the services of the public cloud. तो ये information sharing कर रहा होता है between two or more than two clouds. As we have discussed three models, public, private, and hybrid model. In public cloud, we do have the Amazon, Google, service provider owned and managed, access by subscription. Private cloud, which are privately owned and managed, access limited to client and its partner networks. We do have mobiling, banking, network, and hybrid cloud. It is actually a private cloud, but it may use some of the services from the public cloud. That's why hybrid cloud could be the combination of multiple clouds, public, private, and community clouds. Overall, the objective of public, private, and hybrid clouds and community cloud are providing the services to the end users to meet the demands of the end users.